What's up, boys? S1KDK back into the video, and in this video I am going to work, and this will be posted sometime this week. Next week, Sunday, I'm going to a huge car show around the area, and Saturday as well I'm going to another car show, because you guys love me bringing the S1000 to the car show, right? You guys love it. I don't know why. I can kind of see why, but on Saturday it's going to be more of like an old person car show, and I'm going to be bringing this bike. I'm actually going to be entering it in, and on Sunday it's like a muscle car and like, you know, like imports and stuff like that, because it's in a way bigger city. Around these cities over here it's like very small, and nobody kind of has like really cool import cars around here, if you know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, a little bit of a story I have to tell you guys. I found a cat like 3 days ago. I named him we named him Harold because he is very old, and so I was coming home from work and I was driving my car and I saw a cat walk across the road, and I decided to grab him because he was injured. His right paw is injured. Do you guys know how to spin your bike like this? It's kind of hard because I'm so light. Almost there. Yes, boys, I had to stop at my grandma for a grandma sandwich again. Times have been tough. Let's get going. Back onto the story. So I found a cat. He was walking across the street into my yard. And that was a cop right there. And I saw him in my yard, so I'm like, oh, okay, I need to try to grab this cat. I saw that his right paw was injured. Looks like he got in a fight with somebody, or like, well, not somebody, but something, right? Cop's not following me, bros. We're good. And so I grabbed him. I'm a big animal lover, right? I'm a big animal lover. I have 3 cats of my own and a dog. So I felt the need to grab him, right? Like I can never see an animal that is like, you know, obviously they're not doing good. I always try to help. I've been that way since a kid. I live in Wisconsin, so there's a lot of cows and horses and, you know, every animal you can really think of, besides alligators. But anyways, I got the cat, and he's living with me now. I wanted to see if he was like lost or something. My microphone keeps falling right below my chin. I'm worried that you guys won't be able to hear me. I went to go see if he was chipped this morning. I got him probably on Friday or something like that. Today's Tuesday. I worked so many 12s recently. I worked 4 12s in a row, 4 12-hour shifts, so I hadn't had time. But today, finally, I worked 2 to 10, which is my regular hours, 8 hours. And I was able to go to the vet in the morning and check to see if he has a chip in him, and he doesn't have a chip in him, sadly. I wanted to return him to his owner. I don't know. He's an older cat, that's for sure. He might be a part of like farm, because we have a lot of farm cats around here, and like farms in general. But I live in like the middle of town, so it's kind of like, I don't know, he would have had to travel a pretty far away in order to, you know, be where he's at my house, right? Fuck you too, man. But so he's my cat now. I mean, I'm gonna give him to a shelter, guys. I can't have another cat. I promised myself I wouldn't get another cat, and I'm gonna stick to my own promise. But I'm trying to find a home for him before I bring him to a shelter. It's just not looking good right now, because so many people have cats around here, like, and whoever doesn't have a cat doesn't want a cat, etc., etc. So I don't know, boys. I'm gonna give it another week or so. My girlfriend wanted the cat, but her roommates didn't want her to have one, which is, in my opinion, kind of bullshit, but, you know, that's just my opinion there. But yeah, boys, so that's what I did this weekend. This weekend I worked 4 12-hour shifts. I kind of didn't mind it, only because of the fact that I'm getting paid good money, right, obviously, and because it really fixed my sleep schedule. Before, I was waking up at like, man, I was waking up at like 10, 11 a.m. This morning, I woke up at 8 a.m., no alarm. I just woke right up. 7 hours of sleep. I'm feeling good right now. I'm pretty energized. I ate good. I got my grandma's Sammy's in this trusty little bag here, you know what I'm saying? My grandma's Sammy's, so I'm going to be eating good at work, so it's a good day. It's a good day. That car turned. I was getting bored of going fucking 45 and a 55, dude. Ridiculous. But we're balling, boys. I have 2 videos only so far of winter videos, so I'm gonna try to make a lot more. My upload schedule of every 2 days have been kind of falling through, I'm not gonna lie. I've just been working so much, and I need to get back on the grind. There's no excuse for it. I need to get back on the grind, but the 12-hour shifts I really didn't have time to, which sucked. But we're getting back on the grind, boys, so tomorrow's gonna be my off day. Then I need to make a video Friday, because today's Wednesday. No, today's Tuesday. I got all of my time mixed up, boys. I have no idea what day it is anymore. I've just been fucking working. But yeah, I think today's Tuesday, so Wednesday, and then Thursday I'll make a video, and then Saturday and Sunday I'm making a video for you guys. So let's get it moving, you know what I'm saying? Please write down in the comments what you guys want to see from me, you know what I'm saying? Like, do you guys want to, I don't know, I'm planning on doing a no talking, just pure 2023 S1000. Oh, what the fuck? How did a bug get in there? You see that? A pure 2023 S1000 like sound video. You know, I'm gonna try to put a microphone in the back here. It's kind of hard because in the back my phone doesn't fit, so it's like, how am I supposed to do it? But I'll figure it out, boys. I'll figure it out. It's either I just won't talk at all, or I'll like literally like put my microphone from my GoPro all the way to the back, which won't be so bad. I just have to wear it all back up. But yeah, boys, that's what I've been doing. And on my last video, I told you guys that the views wouldn't be so good. The comment section was amazing. Everyone who watched that video, I love all of you guys. Like, you guys' comments were so heartwarming, and like, you know, it just gave me more motivation to keep spending time on this channel and like, you know, my YouTube in general. But you know, I'm not giving up. I love all of you guys for watching that video, and everyone who commented very nice comments. It means a lot to me, man. Like, I'm not saying a lot of YouTubers like really don't read the comments, you know. I read every single comment, and I'm not going to stop either. I don't care if I have 100,000 subscribers. I'll sit there and read 350, 1,000 comments if I have to. I reply back to a good amount of them too. But anyways, my point was proven in the last video, guys. My point was proven. I said this video isn't gonna do good like my last video, and it got 500 views. And okay, before I sound like a dick, you know what I'm saying, like 500 views is still good. It's just not what my channel average was for the longest time until I got monetized, right? So I'm not really trying to go into the topic of it, but I just want to say that I was right. But my next video, I kind of wanted to be like a 3 things I hate about the S1000 or something, but honestly, I don't really have 3 things that I hate. I might just make it into memes. So people who are watching this video, you guys are in on the little secret. I'm gonna make it a meme. I'm just gonna be like, yeah, the S1000's way too fast. It tries to pop wheelies everywhere. It's just ridiculous. Who wants to go that fast? Like, that's kind of my idea in my head for that. But yeah, boys, that's basically all I have to talk about. I know it's a boring drive again. I was doing a lot of shit this morning, like cleaning my bike, doing laundry, cleaning the house, dealing with the cat, etc., etc. So I wasn't able to like go out and go on some fun roads for you guys. But soon, good things come with time, right boys? Alright guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my Instagram at S1K_DK, and then make sure to use my promo code or my discount code on Brentune. It's S1KDK, all caps, no spaces, for 5% off of your purchase. I love all of you guys. Peace. Boys! Did you see that wheelie? Holy fuck, that was my best one yet. That felt so badass. Oh, that was so cool. I don't like wheelies, guys. I don't like to do them all the time. But man, that was fucking awesome. I don't think I'm gonna do that again. That was so cool.